Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. In this video, tutuloy natin ang ating series on laws of exponents. No? Dito sa video na to ay mag-focus tayo dito sa second and the third rule. No? Kasi actually wala naman talagang ganito. No? Gagawin natin is i-fuse natin to, pagsasamahin natin. And we will introduce negative exponents. No? Now, siguro i-discuss natin ng konti para at least kung hindi nyo sinusundan kung hindi nyo sinusundan itong series, at least alam nyo kung ano yung nangyayari, no? So, pag sinabi natin a to the m over a raised to n, this is equal to a raised to the m minus n if m is greater than n. So, for example, meron tayong x cubed over x squared, no? X to the fifth na lang. X to the fifth over x cubed. So, mas malaki yung m, no? Yung nasa taas, yung exponent sa taas kaysa sa baba. So, using this law, we can just subtract, no? So, x to the raised to the 5 minus 3, which is equal to x squared. Now, kung pinanood nyo yung mga previous videos natin, madali itong makita kasi x to the fifth means you have 5 factors of x. No? Multiply mo yung 5x. And then, yung x cubed is actually, minimultiply mo yung tatlong x. So, over 1, tapos over 1, 1 over 1. 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1. So, dalawa na naman titira kaya siya maging x squared. Now, ganun din pag mas malaki yung n kaysa sa m, mas malaki yung exponent sa baba. For example, y to the 4th over y to the 6th. Y to the 7th kumari. So, kasi meron kang apat dito na y's. Tapos merong y's ka sa baba. And before that, dito muna tayo. So, magiging 1 over y raised to the, ano yung n mo? 7, di ba? Yun yung mas malaki sa baba. Because m is less than n. So, y raised to the 7 minus 4, which is 1 over y cubed. No? Now, again, pwede nyo i-verify ito by doing what we did in the first given. So, meron kang apat na y's sa taas and then you have 7 y's sa baba, no? So, ano yun? May eliminate yung apat, di ba? So, 1, 1, 1, 1, no? So, siguro nagtataka kayo bakit ako naglalagay ng 1 dun sa ano kasi pwede namang wag na, no? Nilalagyan ko yan kasi maraming estudyante, pag na-cancel na lahat, kung wala tong tatlong y dito, ginagawa nila ng 0, no? So, kasi kinancel na, nawala na. But actually, if you're canceling, you're dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same expression, no? Parang 3 over 6, you are dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 3, no? Same number, so magiging 1/2 siya. Dito, nagkataon lang na pareho, no? Parang negative 3 over 3, no? So, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Kaya siya magiging 1. So, importante na pag nag-cancel kayo, same expression, lagyan nyo ng 1 kasi para hindi kayo malito, no? Kasi mamaya, pag naubos niyan, sabi mo wala na natira kaya 0. No? So, ito yon, no? Given these conditions, no? Paano kung walang condition? For example, paano kung ito na lang yung gamitin natin? Wala na tong m is greater than n saka m. Yan na lang, yung law na yan. Ano na mangyayari? So, ito pa rin. X to the 5th over x cubed is x raised to the 5 minus 3, which is equal to x squared. Pero ito naman, magiging y raised to the 4th power over y to the 7th is equal to ito na. So, y, ang m yung exponent sa taas, 4 minus 7, which is equal to y to the negative 3. Now, kanina, verify natin, may apat tayo na y sa taas, meron tayong 7 y sa baba. So, nag-cancel tayo ng apat na y's. That's why we have 1 over y cubed. Ibig sabihin, itong expression na ito ay the same as is equal to this expression. Meaning, y raised to the negative 3 is equal to 1 over y cubed. No? So, pag meron tayong negative exponent, actually, we get the reciprocal. No? Pag meron tayong a raised to the negative m, no? Magiging 1 over a raised to m. Okay. So, ito yung isa nating law. No? Ito yung rule natin on negative exponents. At dito yan ang galing. Let's have some examples. We have x. Notice that yung number dito at number dito, they have opposite signs. No? Pag positive ito, this becomes negative. Pag negative ito, this becomes positive. No? So, ganun lang ibig sabihin yan. So, halimbawa, what is 5 to the negative 2? No? So, magiging 1 over 5 squared, which is equal to 1 over 25. Example 2. How do we represent y to the m raised to the fourth as negative exponent? So, this is the same as 1 over m to the negative 4. Kasi magkaiba sila mag-opposite sila ng signs. So again, if this is positive, this becomes negative. Pag negative ito, para ang m natin ay negative 3. So negative of negative 3 magiging positive. But since ang m ay negative 3, this is negative 3. So positive, negative. Pag ang m mo naman ay positive, so this is negative 3, kasi m mo ay 3. And ito naman ay cubed. So again, and the point is, mag-opposite sila ng signs. So since positive to, kukunin mo yung reciprocal nito and nasa ibaba siya, and then negative siya. Okay? Okay, let's have some more examples. So anong ibig sabihin nito, no? Pag m number 3 n to the negative 6. So magiging 1 over n raised to the 6th power. So notice that pag nasa taas ka, no, nasa numerator ka, this is n to the negative 6 minus 1. Ang opposite ang exponent with the opposite sign ay nasa denominator, no? Pag nasa numerator ka naman, m raised to the 4th over 1, ang opposite sign, ang same expression with the opposite sign ay nasa denominator. So kung may negative ka pala na exponent, pwede mo siyang ilipat doon sa, pag nasa numerator siya, pwede mo siyang ilipat sa denominator. Pag nasa denominator siya, pwede mo siyang ilipat sa numerator. Pag meron kang negative exponent. So yun ang pinaka-generalization ng rules. No? So for example, meron tayong x to the negative 3 over y to the negative 4. No? So pwede na natin i-switch yan para maging positive yung exponent. So this is equal to y raised to the 4th power over x cubed. So pareho silang positive. Okay. Another example, 3x to negative 4 y to the 5th over 6x cubed y to the negative 2. So this is equal to 3 over 6, no? Times, lagay muna natin lahat ng positive. Kasi hindi naman natin gagalawin, di ba? So dito, sa taas, meron tayong positive y to the 5th. Sa baba, meron tayong positive na exponent na x cubed. Tapos yung x to the negative 4, nasa numerator siya. So ililipat natin siya sa denominator. Magiging positive na yung kanyang exponent. So this becomes x to the 4th. No? At ang y to the negative 2, nasa denominator siya. So ililipat natin siya dito. Magiging positive yung exponent. So magiging y squared. This is equal to 1/2, no? Dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 3. And then this is y raised to the 7th. And then yung sa baba natin, x also raised to the 7th. So magiging y to the 7th over 2x to the 7th. So multiply this and we get this. No? So again, we have y to the 7th. Hindi masyadong kita. No? So y to the 7th over 2x raised to the 7th power. Siguro we'll have more examples in the next video. Sorry, may yung aso. No? I'll see you in the next tutorial. By the way, bago ako mag-end, invite ko sa Sipnayan Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph, and our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. Pagpunta nyo sa YouTube, pwede nyo i-type yung Sipnayan and then the topic you want. No? So for example, Sipnayan, laws of exponents. Lalabas naman yan. Just type. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next tutorial.